Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of June 17th, 2014. The charts we're going to stare at come from the Trade Navigator software from Genesis. And we're looking at a weekly bond market here, and I really thought after the inside week last week and taking out the highs of it that they were probably heading up here to the 137.10 area. But something happened along the way. They've taken a little downturn. They've held resistance here around 136.04, and they're heading down to the lower moving average. In fact, they're right in the vicinity now where they need to make a decision. This is the 135 area right here. And if they hold here, they still have the potential to go back up to above 137, and I mean this week. If they don't, they could be in a fair amount of trouble, and we could see them break down to the mid-Keltner channel, 133.24 area. They're being buffeted a little bit by the fact that this is the week of a Fed meeting, and we'll get both an announcement and a news conference from Janet Yellen Wednesday afternoon. They're also a little bit spooked by the developments in Iraq, which are having an impact on crude oil. So it's a little difficult to figure out exactly what's driving them. I would hope there will be some clarity by Wednesday afternoon. Same thing in stocks, of course. Those same factors, the Fed and the crude oil reaction to Iraq, are both factors here. But they're doing an amazing job of shrugging it off. They seem to have held support here in the 1922 area, and they're on their way up. Resistance here is let's call it 1947, which they could possibly reach. And I'm sorry, 1947 is the old high. Is my fault. The resistance here is 1935, which they have reached. It does look like they're touching it, right? They're trying the resistance, and if they break that, I think the old highs at 1947 probably will not hold them. I think they'll just go on to new highs. And again, I think you have to be very impressed at how much they've shrugged off. Hotter PPIs, bad news from Iraq, all kinds of things. And it's not like they're wildly bullish, but they're holding up pretty well and still finding the ability to rally intraday. And I think you have to be impressed with that. Now, Janet Yellen has the ability to just blow this market out of the water if she says the wrong thing. And, of course, the fall of Baghdad or something like that could have an impact as well. But technically, you'd have to say the market looks poised to move higher unless it gets sabotaged from something. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.